In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can partition a hard drive here in Windows 11. Before we do dive into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you do have any questions, ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. But first things first, go ahead and open up File Explorer. And once you do open up File Explorer, what you're going to want to do is scroll down on this left-hand sidebar until you see the option for this PC. From here, you can go ahead and see your drives, but what you're going to want to do is actually hit this little search bar down at the bottom of Windows and type in disk management or create and format hard disk partitions. Open this up and you're going to see something that looks like this, which can definitely look a little bit confusing if it's your first time in here. But within disk management, find the hard drive that you do want to partition. For example, we could do this top one right here. Right click on that drive and you're going to see a bunch of different options. Go ahead and select shrink volume. Enter in how much space you want to shrink. This is going to create that unallocated space, and then click shrink. And you're now going to see a section down here that says that unallocated space. Right click on that unallocated space and select new simple volume and just hit next. Choose how much space you want that partition. I would recommend just putting all of it, and then choose a drive letter, hit next, and then finish, and then go back to this PC and File Explorer, and you're going to see that your one hard disk has now been split into two different partitions. But that is it. It really is as simple as that. If you guys do have any questions, ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. And before you guys do leave this video, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel. Lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.